Welcome you guys, this is the Velvet Locks with another video. Now in this video I'm bringing you into the bathroom with me. Yeah, we're in my bathroom. And I'm going to show you my morning routine using all my natural products that I've been creating for you guys to let you know about the beautiful health benefits that you can have with creating your own beauty products, okay? Your own face wash, your own everything. So we're gonna start right now. Now, every morning before I start my day, I start with a nice cup of green tea and lemon juice. Nothing to sweeten it, just green tea and lemon juice. Or I usually start off with my Bragg's apple cider vinegar concoction. Now what I like to do next is brush my teeth, okay? Now this is something that I created in another video. I will list all the information down below or in the cards above, but this is what I brush my teeth with. This is a concoction that I made with coconut oil, baking soda, and sea salt, okay? Sea salt or Himalayan salt. Either one is fine. So I'm going to show you, give you the recipe down below. What I do every morning is put a little on my brush, and then I get to brushing my teeth. Next, I'm going to use my baking soda and coconut oil concoction to scrub my face. Now, this is a wonderful way, you guys, of combating that aging skin. This is going to help to keep years off and make you look younger. So, let's get started. You just wet my face. And like I showed you in my other video, the best way to clean your skin is to do circular motions going upward, going against gravity, okay? So remember that when you're washing your skin and applying your lotions on your face. And this is really nice. This is a gentle exfoliator. So it's exfoliating all the dead skin cells. And it feels great. Time to rinse. Okay, so next what I like to do as a toner to get off any type of debris that might still be on my skin is I use my apple cider vinegar and water toner concoction. So I usually go for my cotton pads, and then I just put a few drops of that on my cotton ball, and I go in. And what this does is it balances the pH level in your skin. It dries up the oil, any oily spots, and it's going to remove toxins from your skin, cleaning out all the dirt, any leftover debris from the baking soda. And it's going to leave your skin looking and feeling really good. And also it helps with acne as well as dark spots. It's going to help fade the dark spots. Okay? So this is great to do after you've cleansed your skin with your baking soda, coconut oil facial scrub. Next, what I like to do is I like to cut my aloe vera plants into little slices. And after my toner dries, I like to go in with my aloe vera gel, and I like to use this as a hydrator and a moisturizer for my skin, as well as it has wonderful benefits for acne, any type of skin abrasions, cuts, scars. I mean, this plant does it all. So all I do is rub it in a circular upward motion all throughout my face. And that's it. I let my face dry and I finish up now with taking my shower. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. All right, so now I'm going to take my shower and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it. So this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.